Hello dear students, today we are going to learn about the IP address and how to find your smartphone's IP address or your computer's IP address over the internet. So first of all, we all knows in the internet all computers communicate with each other through underground or underwater cables or wirelessly. So if I want to download a file from the internet, so my computer should have an address so that other computers on the internet can find and locate my computers in the internet. So that particular address is known as the IP address. उसको हम बोलेंगे IP address. ठीक है. So we can take one example here. If someone wants to send a mail to another person, what he needs the होम एड्रेस ऑफ दैट पर्सन. तो वैसे ही जब हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह फाइल्स भेजनी होती हैं ओवर द इंटरनेट, देन व्हाट वी नीड द आईपी एड्रेस ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम. सो ये आईपी एड्रेस दिखने में कैसा होता है, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू इन द लास्ट क्लास. सो आईपी एड्रेस इज जस्ट अ स्ट्रिंग ऑफ नंबर्स. दिस आईपी एड्रेस can be in the certain format that I have already told you in our last class. So अगर इस कंपैरिजन को देखा जाए, अगर एक होम एड्रेस है तो उसको पोस्टमैन उस होम एड्रेस को देख के पर्टिकुलर होम पे वो मेल डिलीवर करता है. तो वैसे ही इस आईपी एड्रेस को देख के पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम के एड्रेस पे वो मैसेज भेजा जाता है, वो मैसेज डिलीवर किया जाता है. तो आईपी एड्रेस इसीलिए यूज़ होता है. ये आईपी एड्रेस हमेशा यूनिक होता है. सो इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल इज़ अ सेट ऑफ रूल दैट मेक्स द इंटरनेट वर्क, जिसके थ्रू इंटरनेट पे वर्क किया जा सकता है. इफ़ अ पर्सन वांट टू वॉच अ वीडियो इन अ यूट्यूब, ठीक है, बिकॉज योर कंप्यूटर और योर स्मार्टफोन हैज़ एन IP एड्रेस, सो यूट्यूब इज सेंडिंग यू ऑल द डाटा रिलेटेड टू द वीडियो to your IP address, right? IP address is of two types, that is IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. So Internet Protocol version 4, it consists of 4 numbers separated with the dot. Each number can range from 0 to 255 in the decimal numbers, but computers do not understand these decimal numbers, so these numbers are converted to the binary form, which is computer understandable form. So therefore, the in binary range can be written as 0000008 times 0 as well as 111111 times 1s. Since how many numbers are there? Each number n is represented by a group of 8 binary digits. So the whole IPv4 address is represented by a sequence of 32 ones and zeros, or simply I should say by a sequence of 32 bits. So IPv4 is a 32-bit address. In IPv4, a unique sequence of ones and zeros is assigned to each computer. Therefore, a total of 2 raised to power 32 devices, that is approximately 4 billion devices, can address and connected to the internet with IPv4. But there is a problem with this 32-bit IPv4 address. With IPv4, we can connect only this amount of devices to internet. But these days, we have devices like computers, our smartphones, far more than 4 billion. So slowly we are moving towards IPv6 address, which is a 128-bit IPv address. Human friendly form IPv6 is written as a group of 8 hexadecimal numbers separated with colons. For example, we can see here in human friendly form we can write the IPv6 address as this sequence. You can see here. Okay, so sequence of 128 ones and zeros. Since a unique sequence of ones and zeros is given to each computer connected to the internet, so with IPv6 a total of 2 raised to power 128 devices can be connected to internet. That is IPv6 address can address amount of devices which is equally far more enough for many future generations, right? To find your computer's public address, right, what is my IP address in www.google.com, you can see there, that will tell you your computer's public IP address, right? So to check your smartphone's IP address, just say what is my IP address in your smartphone's Google Assistant, and it will tell you your smartphone's public IP address. Without this numeric protocol, we would not be able to connect to the internet, and without internet we would standing in long queues to get our train tickets. We would be looking at newspapers to see where our jobs are available, and we would be buying storage devices like CDs, or we could not have any internet cloud storage, etc. So IP addresses are of two types, that are one is dynamic and other one is static. अगर डायनामिक एड्रेस की बात की जाए तो जब भी आपका डिवाइस जैसे स्मार्टफोन या कंप्यूटर इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट करता है तो आपका इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर आपको एक IP एड्रेस प्रोवाइड करता है. जो भी उसके पास अवेलेबल IP एड्रेसेस होते हैं उससे एक IP एड्रेस आपके डिवाइस को वो प्रोवाइड करता है. ठीक है, सो दैट यू कैन कनेक्ट योर डिवाइस टू द इंटरनेट एंड सेंड एंड रिसीव डाटा टू एंड फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर्स इन द इंटरनेट. नेक्स्ट टाइम you connect your device to the internet, your service provider provides you some different IP address. Every time it provides you different IP address, but from the same available range. जो उसके पास रेंज होती है उसी में से प्रोवाइड करता है, लेकिन हर बार एक डिफरेंट IP एड्रेस वो प्रोवाइड करता है. तो डायनेमिक IP एड्रेस जो है वो हमेशा चेंज होता रहता है. ठीक है, एवरी टाइम यू कनेक्ट टू योर इंटरनेट योर डायनेमिक IP एड्रेस चेंजेस. नाउ व्हाट इज स्टैटिक IP एड्रेस? इट नेवर चेंजेस. ये परमानेंट आपका इंटरनेट एड्रेस है. सो दीज स्टैटिक एड्रेसेस आर यूज्ड बाय DNS सर्वर्स. सो व्हाट आर DNS सर्वर्स? सो DNS सर्वर्स यूज करते हैं इन स्टैटिक IP एड्रेसेस को. सो DNS servers, actually these are the computers that help you to open a website in your computer. Okay, so static IP addresses provides information such as a device is located in which continent, in which country, in which state, in which city, and which village, and which internet service is providing the internet connection to you. Okay, so once we know who is the internet service provider, we can trace the location of the device connected to the internet. Therefore, IP address allows billions of digital devices to be pinpointed. Static IP addresses are considered to be somewhat less secure than dynamic IP addresses because they are easier to track. However, following safe internet practices can help you to keep your computer secure no matter what type of IP address you are using, whether the static or the dynamic. So students, we have studied today about the IP address, as I have already discussed this topic in our previous class. So IP address that consists of 32 bits. ठीक है, 32 bits of information it can store. It is divided into 4 octets. It can be represented in the decimal notations as well as binary notation. And IPv6 addresses now they are represented in the hexadecimal notations. Since IPv4 addresses are not enough for all the computer users nowadays, so we are switching to IPv6 addresses, जो हमारी future generations तक के लिए भी काफ़ी होंगे, because it consists of 128 bits of information. As well as I have told you one different topic that is not in your book, static IP address and dynamic IP address. Static IP address जो permanent होते हैं, dynamic जो permanent नहीं होते हैं. Every time you connect to internet, your IP addresses changes. Right, that are dynamic. But DNS servers जो आपको provide करते हैं, that are the static IP address through which you can be located over the internet. That where are you? Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you.